Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 17th. I don't have to say anything new in terms of larger time frames. We are in the same range for QQQ where we have been since the 3rd of Feb. Yesterday, we were gapping up and we were supposed to have a consolidation day. That's exactly what we had. All right, so on larger time frames, we are still in the neutral range for the weekly charts. Nothing has changed there. Are there any major news events today? No. FOMC tomorrow is going to take the limelight apart from anything else that Trump pulls out regarding Iran. What about on SPY? On SPY, yesterday we did not go above the highs of Friday. It was an inside day, right? Same for QQQ, I believe. No, QQQ actually went above. So it was still an inside day, which means we had our lower low, second lower low on SPY, and then there's an 80% chance that this lower low will hold, and 20% chance that we have a waterfall like a parabolic phase down. So obviously pretty good odds that yesterday was the last day of Friday was the last day of sell-off and we have likely bottomed out, but we still keep that 20% chance open in case we go below this. All right, so that's the story on the larger time frames, also in the neutral territory for SPY. So let's look at the intraday stuff. Again, no major news events today. We are waiting for FOMC, and then that also means there's a decent chance the market might wait for FOMC. So yesterday, after the gap up, we had said the most likely scenario would be price moves sideways, the 9MA starts to wrap around and comes up to support the price. That's what happened. What about today? Today we are right at the 9MA. It's very obvious where the neutral territory is, from around 603 till, let's say, 599, just to be safe. It's actually 600, but let's just say 599. Below 599, if we start to hold below that, price can expand. If I was playing very cautious, I would say only short once we break below 597. Even if we come for like a quick dip here and then get bought up, that's still just part of the consolidation. That's still neutral territory. So bears on the intraday control below 597. We likely get a gap fill after that to 594. And then obviously, if we break below 592, there is another leg down. This is neutral territory. If we hold above 603, you can see a move to 606 and then potentially just consolidation. I doubt we go higher, but above 606, we have 609 as the next level of importance. All right, so that's your neutral territory, 606 above, 594 below. What about SPY?